In this video, I'm going to show you how to set an alarm on TradingView. Now there's a bunch of different ways to do this and I'm going to show you all of them. What you can do is either go to alert up top, which will allow you to basically create an alert or alarm, or you could go to the top right, click on alerts and click on the plus button here to create a new alarm. You could also go to over here anywhere on your chart and right click and you could do add alert over here and it's going to basically capture that specific price, or you could hover over on your chart and then you can see you have the plus button here towards the right. You can just click on the plus button wherever you want your alarm, and there we go. You can click on add alert over here. Now whenever you do this, it's going to automatically add your alert just like this, but of course if you use any of the other methods like right clicks or any of these buttons, it's going to allow you to create one manually. So you can select your conditions over here, you can select the price where you want it to trigger, and you have more conditions in here. You don't just have these three, so don't forget to actually click on that and see what you want to do here. And then you have the triggers. You can select when you want it to trigger. You have the expiration, when you want it to expire, the message, which can be custom if you want to make it custom, and then the notifications that you want to get. Now of course if you want like an alarm, you can go and use this play sound over here and then select it. So for example, if you want like an alarm, you could go and do alarm clock over here. You can play this to see what it sounds. There we go. This is going to be like the alarm clock. You could do something else as well. It's completely up to you. I'm going to leave it as alarm clock and I'm going to click on 3 seconds. There we go. And then here you can click on apply and create and your alarm is going to be set. You can now go to the top right, click on alerts, and you can see your alarms or alerts currently set up to basically be triggered whenever they meet the conditions. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.